Hi all, this video shows you how to find your open sows. So go to see the barn, go to groups, and then you're gonna go to open sows. Um, if there is, you see this zero where it's a red zero. Um, if it has a number here, like 2 or 3, that tag will be highlighted in red. And then that means there's an issue with the sow. Like it's an open sow because it was supposed to have farrowed and didn't, or there's something weird with that sow. And then you have to go in there and figure out kind of what the issue was on that. And so that's what the red number means. This number right here is your total number of open sows, according to our data. And so you click here. What I like to use this dashboard is to see where open sows are. So if you're not seeing here where you see alt tag status, parity room, pen, service group, you can click these 3 dots here, and then you can change the views. So for example, if you want to see location, you can go there. If you want to see service group, you can go here. So this shows you a different view to change. You want to see parity structure, or piglets, or parity structure. So that's how you change the view. But let's go to current service group. And so now, for example, and then if we click this, we can sort it by the pen. So we see we have 3 sows here that are in data cleanup. So potentially these sows could not be in the barn, or we need to figure out where these sows are. Here again, so we have the 3 sows in data cleanup. Here we have a bunch of sows in gilt barns. So this makes sense because these are all our gilts that are in the barn, because they're in the gilt barn most likely, and they've been entered, meaning that they haven't been bred yet. So these are gilts that haven't been bred. And then you have the sows that are open. So you can see this was to be culled, and they're in row A. And so you have a lot of sows that are open in row A, right? What we're looking for is to see that we have all of our open sows in row S, right? To make sure that they're all in the slush row. And then if there's no sows in the slush row, then you can go find that row and then put them to the slush row. So that's what we're kind of looking towards, is to see how many sows are in the slush row. If there's sows that aren't in the slush row, they should probably be organized into the slush row. And then 2, you can see your gilts as well. So that's how you could use the open sow button and function. And again, if you want to explore the history, let's say you want to see why this sow is, sow 955 is in breeding row E and it's open, you just click the ID and it will show you the history on that sow. And then you can go and explore. You can click here to see further history. So that is more or less how you check with the open sows and how you can use it.